Got the door off. I've got to just adjust that pivot, make it a bit higher. Morning all. Today is 16th, Monday, 16th of February, 16th of February. This is what I call school week. So if any of you guys do work for any schools, this is obviously the half term time, and this is when they call you in to get all the stuff done. So I've got one school today and another school on Wednesday. Just do general maintenance type bits, adjust doors, stuff like that. All the stuff that goes wrong during term time can't really get done during term time because obviously the kids are around, and then after school they've got like activities and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm heading up to one of my schools. The day is lovely, glorious today. It's actually sunny. It's been raining for the last God knows how many weeks, so it's pretty nice. It's a good sign that maybe summer's coming, hopefully. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can get some content with the schools. It's a bit difficult. I'm up there just get some pictures of what I've done. So yeah, I've got a busy day. I've got school to do, then I've got to go and plane down the door for another company, and then I've got an interesting one, fitting locks on bins. That's for another company as well. Because mine works a little bit dry at the moment. You guys, I suppose, actually on the forums, a lot of guys are saying it's a bit dry at the moment. Probably this time of year, people have got no money and all that stuff. But we'll just carry on. Obviously, there's other companies, lots of companies out there that are doing really well come to sun tomorrow. And hopefully, if they've got enough, or they've got too much, that their staff. They've got time to get their staff on it, and so people like me get involved, help them out because they've got staff. You know, it's not a sort of thing you expect to get work from, because you never expect to get people when you're subcontracting. You expect to get work from people when you're subcontracting, because they'll only use you when they need to. But it's a good little source of income to have, especially if you guys are just starting out. I mean, I'm not just starting out, and I still do it now. But anyway, as you can see, it's a really sunny day, so I'm going to go and let's see what footage it brings. See you in a bit. Not closing properly. On the bottom there. Go. Got the door off. I've got to just adjust that pivot, make it a bit higher. Right, here's the door shutting now. Nice little click in. You can't even rest it on the latch to hold it. Okay. Alright, that's the first job done. Just got to tidy up. Then you go on to the next job, playing the door down. Okay, this is the door. It won't. It's going to be plain down. Bottom door is soaking. I do by hand. plane down the door now. Okay, there's it plane down. Right. I'm just going to put the hinges on, put it back up. Out the door. Okay, there you go. Did they tell you I've got to take off all the old locks? Got one done. That jig don't work. Where is it? Don't know where it is. Oh, this thing. This thing makes it too. You put it on, the holes are too high. See? It's got to be that height. It's got to be that height. But this plate is because this plate near enough level with that. It's too high. Sorry, it's too low, should I say? It's got to be higher. So, a bit of fucking about. Yeah, I'm going to come back tomorrow and complete it. This is taking a lot longer. I've only done two. It's taken me friggin' ages.